Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about Cauchy-Euler differential equations. So I will put about yc equals to s to the power of n. Now if we do first the derivative of this one, we have ns to the power of n minus 1, and if we do second derivative of this one, we have n multiplied by n minus 1 s to the power of n minus 2. Now, because this is about complementary solution, this one equal to number 0. And now I will put this one going here. This one going here. And this one that's in here. Now, s squared and s to the power of n minus 2, we have s to the power of n. Similar for this one. Next, we can do about factorization by s to the power of n. Next, we need to find the solutions of this one. So, this one we have n squared minus n. We simplify. And I will put number 4 go to the right. And then we put the square root for the both sides, and we have n equals to 2i and n equal to negative 2i. This is about the complex unit. And now we have yc equals to c number 1 s to the power of 2i. We change n into 2i in here, and c number 2, that is about s to the power of negative 2i. So in this situation, we can write another way in here. So we have c number 1 sine of 2l and s, and c number 2 we have cosine of 2l and s. Next, we can find about particular solution. So if we look carefully about this equation, this is equal to number 1. This is about the constant. So yb in here equals to a. But if we do first derivative of the constant, you got about 0. So in this situation, I will put a in here. This one we have 0, and this one we have 0. So a in this situation, that's about 1 over 4. So yb equals to 1 over 4. And now we have the final answer. yc, that is about this one. yb, that's about 1 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.